Hi, hola, bonjour, and Salaam. Welcome to Blueprint Bazaar. In this episode, Plastic Shredder Machine Full Assembly Walkthrough, Part 11, we complete the fixed blade setup by mounting the first fixed blade onto the opposite side plate. This balances the cutting system and defines the critical interaction zone between rotating and fixed blades. Using concentric and coincident mates in SolidWorks, we position the blade with accuracy to match the alignment from the other side. This step ensures mechanical symmetry and prepares the assembly for linear patterning and error-free. So, in the coming episode, you can grasp the idea of pattern easily by short step-by-step videos. Every blade counts as we move closer to a fully functional shredder. Please keep supporting us as we dive deeper into mechanical design and development. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a step on this engineering journey with Blueprint Bazaar.